Morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Saturday, the 9th of December. Well, looking at the chart, low pressure up to our north, quite strong. It's showing here 976, and that's bringing in very strong winds. You see these isobars very tightly packed today. Midday chart is showing occlusion and cold front out to the east. Presumably that's what we got passing through this morning. As we go ahead to tomorrow, similar unsettled picture. That low pressure moving out, but another one moving in from the west, and frontal activity over the top of us, which will be bringing with it some rain. Spot winds today, a bit too strong really, showing 45 knots, 50 knots in places, and on the ground it's about, well, potentially up to 40, which is a bit too strong. SATPIC showing variable amounts of cloud and looks like showers around over most of the country. And you see that on the rain radar as well, although clearance not too far away. Now looking at the rainfall forecast, looks like by about midday should be pretty clear at Lasham. And going into the afternoon, outside chance for shower, but actually fairly dry. Problem, however, being the wind strength. You see it rain this morning on the public forecast, but from midday onwards it's showing gusts well in excess of 30 knots. Albeit from a favourable direction, straight down the runway from the west. Temperature today, 11 or 12 degrees, dew points about 10, so quite close there. And that's current view outside, obviously no good. Currently 9 degrees at Lasham, dew points 7.5. Farnborough's forecast, later on, they're showing, they've got a tempo here this morning, otherwise, yeah, becoming scattered at 2.5, but note here, wind 18 knots from the west with gusts up to 30. We could just about put up with 30 knots gusts, but anything in excess of that is really pushing it too much. Top meteo showing the clearance to be about 1 p.m. going into the afternoon. No real significant weather. If they do go flying, there's no NOTAMs to worry about. Okay, operationally, if they fly, it will be 2-7 standard operation, so or standard winter operation. So launch point offset to the north of the runway, and cables running down the edge here as normal. If you're winch launching, don't pull back because you will just smash the weak link. Aerotowing will be from the north side of the runway as normal. PA31, I was notified of a departure at 9 o'clock. It's Mike and Barry on duty today. Whether or not they decide to fly, I doubt. I'd say it's probably 70-30 against, just because of that wind strength. But hopefully we'll see you on a nice day. Bye for now.